Hello my friends, this is the Panasonic RF 788L model, and this is a 5-band receiver. It has the FM, long wave, medium wave, short wave 1 and 2 bands, as you can see, and there is a tuning for the volume and as well as for the tone beneath the band selectors. On the right we have the power on and off switches, and here we have a small display with the FM, LW, MW, shortwave 1 and 2 on the scale, and it has a nice pointer. So when we have a nice station, we can carefully tune in using the pointer, and the tuning knob is on the side. It's a nice and smooth to use, and here as we can see the FM is from 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. The long wave is from 145 kilohertz to 285. Medium wave starts from 520 and goes all the way up to 1600. I guess it's still missing the 1700 wavelengths, which would be helpful in North America, but I guess this was more or less designed for to be used in Asian and European regions, but nevertheless it still has quite nice ranges extending from FM to long wave, medium wave and short wave bands. And coming to the short wave, it has two short wave bands, which are, I believe, the short wave one starts from 6 megahertz and extends up to 11 megahertz, and then shortwave 2 appears to be continuous with shortwave 1 and starts from 11 and goes all the way up to 18 megahertz. So I believe there are not much stations to that we will be missing out once we use these shortwave bands, because there's no gaps. It's continuous up to 18 megahertz, and these switches are nice and easy to slide. You feel very comfortable feel when you operate this radio. It has a nice large speaker on the side, which has a good sound quality, and on the top is the antenna. It's nice, and basically indoors the FM picks up, but to catch SW shortwave signals, one has to go to outdoors, especially to your garden or to the balcony. Here on the side there are two ports. The top one is for the headphones. I believe a 3mm regular headphone jack would easily slide in. The one you use for a stereo, for your MP3, would be good to use here. And then we have a port for the power adapter. It takes the DC adapter of 6 volts. The pin is easily seen, and on the back we have the um, label of the Panasonic, which says RF 788, and it says made in Japan. Here we have the battery compartment. It uses it's handy, and it uses up to 4 AAA four AA batteries, and it's kind of handy and nice and portable radio. And I'm just gonna show you just give a demo using the FM.
You gotta rep the team, shawty. I know the next matters me. You should be checking, cause I wanna make you mine on me. Rock with me.
Friends, this is one of the FM stations, and it seems to be catching those stations easily indoors, and with the sound quality appears to be good. There's a red light over on the right hand corner on the top. It lights up whenever you get a good band signal. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, give a thumbs up. Thank you.